All right, back on the Outback. Got the new Driveshaft here. This one is from 2002 Outback H6. So yeah, looked good. The bearing was good. U-joints were good. So I'm just replacing it now, or getting started on it. I'll show you where I'm at. Oh yeah, I'm not sure how good the e-brake is on this car, if it's gonna stick or not. So I just jammed my snow brush on the brake just to stop the drive shaft from turning. Show you under here. So just getting the rear bolts out. They're 12 mils. You can't get anything on the back side, so just cracking the nut side. But yeah, interestingly enough, this is not the original drive shaft. I contacted the previous owner and he said this drive shaft is from an 05 Outback. Sure which model, he couldn't remember, like it was from a turbo model or automatic or manual, but he found something that matched up and it worked. So I'm gonna take this off. The hanger bearing up there, two 14 mil bolts, and then just slides out the front yoke of the transmission. But I'm gonna compare the two and see how they're different. Alright, old shaft is out. Here's the new one. Some big differences around the bearing here. So it'll be interesting to know what this drive shaft is from, because this H6 one was really hard to source. So if there's one that fits, which obviously there is, at least we'll know we'll have some different options for next time. Cool, I'm gonna put the new one in now. Guys, the install was a success. I'll show you the old shaft here. This U-joint in the back goes this way, but can't go up and down or left to right. Completely seized, so that's what was causing the vibration. Overall, pretty easy job. I did spray everything with penetrating oil a couple of days before, like twice a day, just to get everything loose and make sure nothing was seized. Yeah, she's in. Underneath the hanger bearing here it says J. Well, this is, I mean, on the old one, so who knows? Oh yeah, a little bit of ATF came out, so I'm gonna, when that heats up, I'll check the level again and make sure to top it up. But hopefully this helps you guys if you're also experiencing this problem. And yeah, thanks for watching as always.